Alrighty, hello everybody, welcome to another car wash video. We are here at the Roadhouse car wash, a standalone automatic bay here in Rock Island, Illinois, near the corner of 18th Avenue and 38th Street here in Rock Island, Illinois. This has a standalone LaserWash 4000 system. There are other Roadhouse car washes in Moline, Rock Island and that, but this is the only standalone one, and it's kind of like in a little plaza here. We have a Valvoline car oil change shop. Down there it's like a BP station, 7-Eleven, and a Chinese restaurant and a laundromat. So we have the $5 basic wash, $7 for wash and wax, $8 for double wash and dry, and $10 for the double wash, wax, and dry. So I actually got cash out of the ATM for this. So right now I'm gonna put my camera on the dash, and while I get out my cash, got 2 5s here. Hopefully, alrighty. There's our friend Mr. Lincoln. Let's see here. Do not take my 5. Okay, took my 5. And then here's 10. $10, and now we get the green light. This is actually, I think, a refurbished LaserWash 4000. I've been through the one in Moline on 41st Street in Illinois 92, near downtown Moline. Make sure all my windows and everything are locked up. So, got my camera on the dash while I pull up. Good old blasters. This is a LaserWash, and my camera decided to fall down. I'm gonna have to hold it any day now. There it goes. Alrighty, now I think it is. Looks like we're starting out with pre-soak. And double pass on the front. This has dryers. Many of these other Roadhouse washes don't have dryers. And it looks like, yep, it is pre-soak. Water down pre-soak. But to say the least, it is existent. Nothing on the sign. Yeah, this has newer PDQ signage. Well, I guess it is pre-soak. It is kind of weak, though. It has like an orange, like, swimming noodle on the arm. Interesting. Yeah, this is pre-soak. Alrighty. Is it going for a... No, it's not. Okay. I think it's letting the pre-soak do its thing. Oh, what the heck? We're getting a double pass of high pressure rinse. Alrighty. Yeah, this thing is definitely refurbished. This thing is like inefficient on how it moves, because it goes, stops, turns, and goes. And it looks like we're doing tri-foam. I've actually never seen a LaserWash 4000 with tri-foam before. I've seen it on YouTube, but not in person. Wow, that is really good coverage. This is really decent coverage. I never thought it'd have this great coverage. LaserWash. And it looks like it's an empty pass right now, so it's like the best coverage I've seen on tri-foam. On a non-gantry system. Actually, it is a gantry system, but you know, doing a double pass of high pressure rinse. Stop, turns, and goes, and moving kind of slow right now. Huh, that's interesting. The back end of this machine is bare. Yep. It looks like it is. Now we're moving on to our spot-free rinse. Yep. This is our spot-free rinse. Okay, watch this. Stop, turn, and go. It's pretty inefficient. I know the newer LaserWash systems both just have one fluid motion. And now let's see how these dryers do. Alright, time to go. You have laser dry dryers from PDQ. Yeah, doing an okay job of drip soap. That's kind of yeah, right there. Yeah, they're not doing a too great job. Here, whoa, you really gotta. It basically just dumps you out here in the alley. And these dryers are not doing that great of a job. Boy, you really have to watch out for cross traffic here. It literally dumps you out in the alley. Yeah, dryers did not do a good job. Well, anyway, yeah, I don't know what to say about that. I think it did a pretty good job. I'm gonna have to check when I get back to campus, but but before I go back to campus, I'm gonna go back into Moline to get Panda Express. There's the BP 7-Eleven gas station here. I don't need gas, but actually I could, but I'm gonna get it at Sam's, where it's actually cheaper down at Sam's compared to $2.45 a gallon. Anyway, get back on to Doug's Heating Air. You really got to watch out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Down there is the hill down to Augustana College. This is just down the street from O'Toole Tattoo Shop. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. There's Advanced Auto Parts and Taco Bell. That is it.